Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. We're going to show you I might do another video with Eric later, but I can't wait to get this out to you. I want to show you what we've done. So, PostingPilot, the software that we've lucky enough to sort of know the programmer is putting all this together. Um, Let me show you where we're at with it now to see if you want one of those founder spots where you'll never pay the monthly fee for this. I think you're going to understand a bit more of the power today when I show you this. So let's just jump straight in, share the screen, and here we go. So, you've now listen, this is all coming together. So maybe I just want to show you one of these videos first, right? And I'll show you this one because it kind of shows what the software can do. Um, so it's going to talk about posting pilot. Let's see if we can.
Manager and you're still guessing what to post? Stop. PostingPilot uses AI to map my whole week for clients. Ideas, captions, and the schedule. So I stay consistent without spreadsheets.
Try Fuel Factor X.
And you're still guessing what to post? Stop. PostingPilot uses AI to map my whole week for clients. Ideas, captions.
So let's
bonus. It helps cut emissions and
because it's auto plays the next one. There you go. Oh, turn the volume up.
If you drive a gas car, try Fuel Factor X. I add it before I fill up, better combustion, smoother pull, and I've even seen MPG improve. Bonus, it helps cut emissions and supports engine life.
So they're the sort of
so if you drive a gas car,
you can make.
Booster hibiscus tastes incredible. NNRF2 catalyst, natural caffeine, vitamins, fast clean energy, no crash.
So how do you get these videos out of the product, right? So I've got what have I got open here? I've got here you go, HBA. So I'm in HBA, love HBA, right? So we're going to come back to here, and what we're looking at is doing like a demo, right? So we have to demo it for people. So how do you get that stuff to happen, right? Well, paste a website link, autofill. And then it's going to come, it's reading the website, and it's taking all the information it needs right from the website, guys. Now, obviously, if you give it a lead capture page, that's all it's got is like a headline and an opt-in. It's not going to be able to do that. There needs to be some information there, but let's suppose who we're trying to reach. Individuals seeking reliable home business opportunities. People that have been burnt out before. You can add to it, is my point, right? Before online. People... okay, who are struggling, right? But you see, it filled it all in. It filled it all in without that, right? To make an income line, right? Because HBA kind of is the antidote to all that, right? Then you can put in a couple of pictures that you want, whether that's a picture of you using the product. Say if you you just saw that video there with that lady, hibiscus tea was it, with the the sachet or whatever. So you can go and you can. Maybe you want to save a photo off the page. I'm sure that will come, by the way, that it'll just take pictures off and suggest some to you. But let's suppose in, there you go, HBA 3-dimensional. I'm going to put that one in. Now, so here, look, you got, now I'm not going to, it takes time to process. It doesn't take that long, but I'm new to this as well. So I'm not just going to sit here and wait. But look at this. You just go, launch demo week. You watch this. So now it's working out 5 days worth of content. And it won't do, I don't think this is going to do the videos yet. Packing everything into a demo, preparing the reference images, building the weekly content map, creating polished social assets. Creating polished social assets. And there you go, right? So it's still preparing this asset. This is the demo. Remember, well, this is still very much being programmed. So when you come back to this later, it will actually show you what's in there. But Tuesday gives them motion, a quick social clip they can use to tell the story, show the offer, or make the brand feel more real. Okay, then we've got a product service demo. And I think these are all the same at the minute, actually. Yeah, there you go. Monday gives them ready to post visual that compare with a caption, tip, offer, or engagement question. But that's what it's doing. So it's, let's just put Exitus in as well. Our other, this is our mid-ticket one. This is where you can make up to $2,000 commissions. So let's just refresh this page. Try and make it as easy as we can for people. Drop that in there. Autofill. Who is this demo for? Exitus Elite and $100 to $2,000 commissions, 100% commission, da, 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 and it fills it in. You put your reference images in, okay, and away it goes, and it will create the content. Now, the big thing I want you to realize is, right, it's not just going to create promotional content. Right, it's going to do stuff about you. There's an onboarding section where you can fill in stuff about you. It's going to create like stuff about you. It's going to create promotion. It's going to create stuff about the industry, and it's going to create purely engagement posts designed to help the algorithm find you. Right, nothing to do with business engagement posts. So it's going to weave it all together. So it's not like you. What most people do is they sit at ChatGPT or something and they go, "Yeah, I want to promote this business. Give me 30 posts," and away it goes. It's all interwoven, so nobody's going to get exactly the same posts. They're all going to be different, and it's going to weave a narrative over the course of time. It's you're giving it the information, it's generating the post, and it's going to schedule the posts. Now, at the minute, we can't do it because we need to get like users on board for one thing to show Meta in particular what we can do, right? And then they approve us for the API, right? Not a problem, it's just a process, right? So then it will map out the content, it will post the content. Now you'll still be able to go in and approve it and edit it if you want to, but you've seen the video, guys. They were done from one website link and a reference picture. Think about that. One website link and a reference picture. So, and it's got cuts in it to make it more interesting. It's not just a static one like we created stuff with Grok, and it's just a standard sort of video with a guy talking or somebody talking. They're like proper like mini adverts, like proper user generated content, and it could be yours. So the rollout, how it's going to happen is, at the minute there's I think about half the founder spots are still left, so it'll cost you $500. That means you'll never pay a lifetime fee. Lifetime fee expected to be about $99, so you can see the saving there. Now, inside of that, some of that is towards the cost, the support, the servers, and you'll get a set amount of tokens. If you're a founder, the $500 will go towards tokens, so you're not out of pocket. You'll be able to use your tokens. We'll convert that 500 into tokens. How much will everything cost? Can't tell you exactly yet. This is why it's a founder's position, right? Because you're going to save so much money, right, over time. Okay, and I came up with something yesterday. What we're trying to do here is revolutionize the online world, right? Why not us? You can see the way AI is going. Why not us, right? Why can't we be the ones to revolutionize it? I speak to people so many times, and it's like I'm joining you in HBA or Exitus or both, and it takes them time to get signed up because they're busy. So if you can't even get signed up, right, how are you going to promote, right? Well, this is what this will do, because it will be like on a Sunday afternoon, you're going to go, click, yeah, that's fine. Click, and away it goes. Or click, yeah, I'm going to edit that one. Right, and away it goes. All right. Could you imagine that? It's like hiring a social media team to do your content for you, right? And yeah, you probably will have like an hour's set up. I'll say an hour because I want you to do it properly. So it will let this run for months and months and months, right, without you having to touch it. That's the vision, right? So it is a founder position. When you join today, you don't immediately get access to it. I don't think an email went out yesterday, but you should probably get today. You'll get access to a back office. But as you can see, it's being built. So another reason why it's a founder's position. There is an element of, we've got an interview. I'll post in the comments below. I'll post the interview, not the interview, the run through with the programmer, the developer, right? He's a whiz, absolute whiz. He's got like 10 AI agents running, and we're going to him like, well, I put this through ChatGPT, and he's like, yeah, well, I've got 10 AI agents running 24 hours a day, and this is the data I've got, and it's like he's got that, and we've got that. Okay, so he's absolute genius, right? And you can see what he's doing. Everything that we want it to do can be done with different softwares and different tokens and different processes and ways of doing it. We're bringing it into one place where you can basically, in effect, say, I'm promoting HBA, go and promote it for me. You're my onboarding team. You're my creative team. You're my strategist. You're my VA posting for me. And there's so much good stuff coming that you won't believe. Hopefully I'm on another call later today. Okay, so if you're interested in that video, the first comment, I will put the video. We'll go with an overview. And this is new, something else. There's so much stuff happening so fast, right? that's why those spots are going. When people see it, they love it. All right. So we'll see you soon.